Well, welcome back. This is the PID portion. The PIDs that we have available. And again, the base model starts at $185 plus free shipping. Just get in touch with me down below there. Leave comments and, of course, subscribe and share us with your friends. Now, again, there's a playlist here, and you can put this together on your own. I have no druthers, or you can purchase one for me, already put together, already tested, signed, and stamped by me. It's totally up to you. I'll even personalize it if you want me to. Now, here's what the PID does. It's a proportional integral derivative controller. So it's a lot smarter than me, and it's a lot smarter than the pulse width modulator. And again, the bottom, see I have this is the base model. The bottom plug is always the accessory. So if I plug that in, the PID has no control over this bottom receptacle whatsoever. It is merely an accessory for a light, a radio, a water pump, whatever it is, or you can just leave it. You don't even have to use it if you don't want to. Okay, now again, we can make these at a 220 volts version. Get with me on pricing on that. Whatever your plug or your receptacle requirements are, we'll work that out. If you're plugging it into a dryer outlet, I'll put the dryer plug on it on this end so that when you get it, you just plug it in. But I'll need to know some information like how many wires are there. Is it a 3-wire or is it a 4-wire 240 volt circuit? That's really all I need to know going into it. Now, when we plug in, here it is, when we plug in our heater, which is here, now you'll notice that I have got it set, my set value is 75 and my perceived value, process value, I call it perceived. That's through the thermocouple, and the thermocouple is only like a 10-foot cable, so you can put it just about anywhere. And that is 67.2 degrees. And you'll notice that my on light is flashing. That means my PID's thinking is going, hey, I need to give this thing some power. I need to give it some power. Well, here's the way that looks as it operates. And you'll notice, you'll see it'll be on for 100%. See how it does that? And it's just trying to give it, it's trying to get to 75 degrees in the most efficient manner as it can. So let me hold this and it'll go up a little bit, and you'll notice that my perceived temperature is starting to rise because I'm holding it, and you'll see the change in what the PID is providing to your heater element. And that's how it works. So this does the same thing as the pulse width modulator, but it does it on its own, and it's smart enough to keep it within 1/10 of a degree. And you'll see now it's starting to drop, and it's going, I need to give it some power. Now, we can also add a volt and amp meter to this if you like. Matter of fact, if you just push the set button once, bottom number will tell you what percentage of power output it's providing. Push the set button, it goes back to your set value. These are available, or you can build them yourself. George has no druthers either way. And until next time, you know the routine. Happy brewing, happy winemaking, happy bake lighting, happy distilling. Whatever it is that makes you happy, please keep doing it. It's worth it.